If you're starting on your weight loss journey, it's almost guaranteed you will bump into some roadblocks. There will be moments where you feel not good, where you feel like a failure, where you feel probably ashamed because it seems to you that everyone around you is losing weight except for you. My name is Roos van Monsjou. I'm a board-certified health and wellness coach from Amsterdam. And in my years of practice, I've been guiding, inspiring and helping people to lose weight in a sustainable way. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 tips to set you up for success, because your mindset is one of the most important things when it comes to weight loss. Focus on measurements, not the scale. When I start with clients, working with them, I always say to them, give the scale to your neighbor, put it in the shed, because how many people get obsessed and let their day be influenced when they stand on the scale in the morning and they feel disappointed. If you hit a plateau, which is bound to happen when you're gonna lose weight, don't be discouraged. That is only completely normal. The thing is, your body needs to adjust to the new you. Things internally need to readjust. Your veins, your organs, everything needs to readjust. And just continue what you're doing. I always say you can't go wrong by eating right. So then again, do not beat yourself up. Trust the process, you'll be fine. Set yourself up for success. We're all human, we're not robots. Don't be too strict on yourself. And also don't beat yourself up if you slipped off the wagon. You know, even the healthiest people, like me, I drink a glass of champagne. I love lemon meringue pie. But I will not go for inferior quality. If I eat a piece of cake, whatever, it should be definitely good. And then I enjoy it to the max. Because you know, the whole feeling of guilt and shame, that's not good for your health at all. So don't try to be too strict. Don't go overboard. For instance, if you have a party where you know there will be cakes and alcohol, whatever, say, okay, I choose to go for the piece of cake. Or say, I go for the glass of champagne or whatever you want to have. So it's all about the balance. And it's about treating your body with respect and be kind to yourself. Influence your subconscious mind. Did you know that you have an active mind, a conscious mind, and a subconscious mind? Your subconscious mind is influencing you in more ways than you perhaps know. For instance, the way you talk to yourself. If you look in the mirror and you actually look great, and your subconscious mind will say, your thighs are too big. The beauty is of a subconscious mind, you can actually actively influence it. For instance, let's do this exercise together. Pause the video, close your eyes, imagine yourself looking the way you want to look. Wearing that beautiful dress, that wonderful jacket, those amazing jeans. Hold that image. And there are 2 moments in the day where your subconscious mind is most easily to be influenced. That is in the morning, just before you wake up, and in the evening, just before you go to bed. So if you use those 2 moments to, first of all, say to yourself, I can do this, I am strong, I'm healthy, and I'm happy. See yourself the way you want to look and feel the way you want to feel, and that will definitely set you up for success. Listen to your body. Your body is talking to you the whole day. It gives you all kinds of little signs, some bigger and some more subtle. And whatever diet or thing you're following, there's only one truth in the whole health advice out there, and it's you. It's your beautiful body. So let's first look at the signs you should definitely not ignore. If you have a headache, you can always ask yourself, did I sleep enough? Did I drink enough? Did I eat enough? So a headache is always a very clear sign. Do not ignore a headache. Do not pop a pill, think, okay, I need to go on. It's your body, you know, it's talking to you, wants to tell you something. Do not ignore it. Another sign you should not ignore is if something going on in your intestinal system. Do you have belly ache or bloated? These are all very important signs, because did you know that 70% of your immune system is situated in your gut? So your gut is always very important to pay attention to. It's sometimes called even your second brain. Know your triggers. That is very important, because perhaps you will notice the moments when you couldn't follow the program you wanted to follow, when you had a sugar craving. When was that actually? And was that after a certain event, in a certain situation? And there will be a pattern. If you know what your triggers are, then it really helps you to avoid them. For instance, if you know you're going to have a difficult conversation on work that possibly could tip you over to the wrong side, make sure you always have healthy snacks at hand in your car or in your bag, because if you know that this is your potential pitfall, do not drive to the supermarket to get the chocolate chip cookies, but just know that you have something healthy for you at hand. I would like to leave you with a quote my mom always told me, and she said, "Roos, tomorrow is the first day of the rest of your life." And it always gave me a good feeling, because I knew I could start all over again, completely fresh. And that's the same for you. If you're on a weight loss journey and some things didn't go the way you wanted, know that you can always start again. And in that process, if you struggle with things, have issues, please feel free to ask anything and to leave a comment.